Spring is here, and that means we're going to be seeing a ton of floral cake designs. Welcome back to the BakeDeco channel. Today we're going to be sharing with you a simple and quick buttercream floral cake design.
We're going to start by creating our stems, and we're going to place 3 around this cake. You want to make the very top of the stem a little thicker than the rest. So we're going to start by applying pressure and releasing, and we're going to repeat that process 2 more times. To make our 3D petals, we're going to be using the BakeDeco 127 tip. Make sure the thinnest point is pointing upward and the widest point is pointing downward. And now we're just going to layer our petals over each other in a ruffle pattern. And this is going to make the petals look like they're popping out of the cake. And you just want to repeat this process for each flower. Next, we're going to complete our carnations by adding sepals. These are small little green leaves at the base of our flower.
If you're enjoying today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Carnations. And you can add some small pieces at the bottom, or you can leave it simple on top. And now we're going to go ahead and add some of our leaves. I'm actually going to go ahead and extend the vine down to the bottom. It's kind of like they're all coming from the same bunch. And now for our leaves, we're going to be using the BakeDeco 352 tip. And we're just going to scatter some leaves all around our carnations. You can make them large leaves or small leaves with this tip. And now with a really thin tip, we're just going to add a couple extra vines. Then we're going to create some extra greenery here. And we're just using a very small round tip. And this is just part of our vines. We're going to connect it. You can add some small leaves using the same round tip. Just a few throughout. And here you have an easy 3D floral cake design. Don't forget to like and subscribe to BakeDeco for more tutorials like this.